Karagre vasate Lakshmi, Karamadhye Saraswati, Karamule tu Govindaha, Prabhate Karadarshanam. At the tip of your fingers resides Goddess Lakshmi, I mean wealth. In the middle dwells Saraswati, wisdom. At the base is Lord Govinda, the prosperity. That's why the first thing we should see in the morning is our own hands. Since ancient times, palmistry has been used as a guide to understanding fate, success, and potential. Even great rulers, saints, and scholars believed that the lines on our palms are not random. They reveal a map of our life. Every person has a unique palm print, just like a fingerprint, and hidden within these lines are clues about wealth, career, relationship, and destiny. Palmistry is not about predicting the future blindly. It's about understanding your strength, opportunity, and the best paths to success. Now, what if I told you that your hands might already be showing sign of wealth, leadership, and power? Some rare marks on your palm indicates whether you are destined for fame, financial growth, and great achievements. In this video, I will reveal 5 lucky and rare signs on your palm. If you have even one of these marks, it could mean your destiny is waiting to unfold. So stay tuned till end, because what you discover today might change the way you see your hands forever. Let's begin. Let's start with the first powerful sign in palmistry, which is the Jupiter mount and its lines. If the area just below your index finger is slightly raised and has a clear line on a cross mark, then this is considered a very lucky sign. It indicates great intelligence, confidence, and strong leadership qualities. People with this marking are naturally strong-willed and never give up, even in tough situations as well. Their ability to solve problems with logic and patience help them gain respect and influence in society. Others value their opinion, seek their guidance, and see them as motivators. From a career perspective, these individuals have the potential to excel in fields like administration, business, politics, teaching, management, and motivational speaking. Their words have the power to inspire people, and they quickly earn respect and recognition. If you have this sign on your palm, it means success and prosperity are coming your way. However, it is also important to use this potential wisely. Work on improving your leadership skills, stay open to new opportunities, and never limit yourself. To further strengthen the positive effect of this marking, wear yellow clothes on Thursday, worship banana tree, and chant the mantra of Om Brahm Brahaspataye Namaha for 108 times. This will enhance your decision-making ability and attract even more success. Now coming to the second powerful sign, the fate line and the Saturn mount. If your fate line starts from the bottom of your palm and runs straight up to the middle finger or Saturn mount, and if there is a trishul or any clear mark on it, then it is a very lucky sign. It indicates that you have the potential to reach the top in your field and can achieve great success through continuous hard work. This marking is often found in people who build their success step by step through dedication and effort. They are not born lucky, but they create their own destiny through perseverance. If you have this fate line, it means you have a huge potential for success. You just need to move forward in the right direction. This line has a strong impact in business, finance, steel, automobiles, real estate, and the stock market. People with this marking often have a desire to start their own business and usually achieve it in a great way. They also have opportunities for international recognition and may travel abroad for work or business. Many individuals with this sign become experts in their industry and earn a big name over time. If you have this fate line, you should consider exploring real estate, steel, jewelry, trading, or international business, as these fields hold the highest chance of success for you. To fully activate the positive effect of this line, worship Shani Dev, Lord Shani, on Saturday and donate black sesame seeds. Also chant Om Sham Shaneshwaraya Namaha for 108 times to strengthen your faith and make your journey to success even smoother. Now let's move to the next sign. When your fate line connects to the sun mount, if your fate line runs straight up and touches the sun mount, the area below your ring finger, it is considered a highly auspicious sign. This marking indicates that fame, recognition, and glamour are coming into your life. People with this sign have the potential to becoming public figure or gain popularity for their work. If they own their talent and present themselves well, the world will start recognizing them. This sign is especially powerful for those in politics, media, YouTube, social media, acting, modeling, journalism, public relations, and the entertainment industry. These individuals feel confident in front of the camera or in public, and their words naturally attract attention. If this line is deep and clear, it can even bring international fame. Many successful Bollywood stars, sports personalities, and social media influencers have this mark in their palm. If you have this sign, don't hesitate to showcase your skills to the world, build your public image, stay active on social media, and use the right platform to present yourself. Your talent is your greatest asset, and sharing it with people will open doors to success. To strengthen the positive effects of this marking, worship Sun. On Sunday, donate jaggery and wheat and chant the mantra of Om Ram Rim Rom Sa Suryaya Namaha for 108 times. These practices will boost your confidence and make your path to success even smoother. Now, the fourth powerful sign is when the headline reaches the sun mount. If your headline extends all the way to the sun mount, the area below your ring finger, it is considered a highly auspicious sign. It means that you are not just intelligent but also have an exceptional strategic mindset. Your thinking and planning skills set you apart from others, allowing you to find solution to even the most difficultest problem with ease. People with this marking don't just rely on hard work. They use their sharp mind to get ahead in life. Their decision-making abilities help them achieve great success. This sign is commonly found in leaders, business strategists, financial experts, politicians, scientific researchers, and investment professionals. These individuals take calculated risk and often surprise others with their smart decisions. Their planning skills are so advanced that they always find the way to turn challenges into opportunities. Many people with this mark become wealthy because they know exactly when and how to take risk. If you have this powerful marking, it means you focus on long-term success rather than shortcuts. You have the potential to excel in business and leadership, but if you use your intelligence in the wrong direction, it can also cause problems. So it's important to stay in good company and use your abilities wisely. To enhance the positive effect of this sign, worship Sun, Surya Dev on Sundays. Drink water from a copper vessel and chant the mantra Om Grinaya Suryaya Namaha. This practice will sharpen your mind and help you make the right decisions for a successful future. The last powerful sign is the money triangle. If your Mercury line, which is below the little finger, and fate line form a triangle in your palm, this is called the money triangle. It is one of the most auspicious signs in palmistry and indicates strong business acumen, financial intelligence, and the ability to generate wealth smartly. People with this sign are naturally talented and identifying opportunities and making the right investments at the right time. This marking suggests that money will come from multiple sources and financial stability will never be a problem. One of the biggest advantages of this sign is that these individuals are not afraid to take risk and are highly strategic in their decisions. They can excel in fields like investments, business, stock market, trading, and networking. Their communication skills are exceptional, allowing them to convince people easily and turn opportunities into success. They don't rely on hard work alone, they use their intelligence, planning, and strategic mindset to create wealth. Those who start their own business often grow rapidly, earning both money and fame. To fully activate the power of money triangle, follow some simple remedies on Wednesday. Donate green items like green clothes, lentils, or coriander to strengthen your Mercury energy. Also chant the mantra Om Bhum Budaya Namaha daily to enhance your decision making abilities. Additionally, improving communication skills will play a key role in boosting success. So these were 5 powerful palmistry signs that indicate wealth, success and leadership potential. If you found any of these marks on your palm, take it as a sign that great opportunities are ahead. But always remember, palmistry does not predict fate, it reveals possibilities. Your talent, hard work and dedication will shape your success. This marking are just signals. How you use them is in your hands. Now, it's time for you to check. Do you have any of these 5 signs? If yes, which one? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, hit the like button, share it with others and subscribe for more amazing content on palmistry, destiny and success. Thank you.